Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, uses of interferon. Right, different uses of interferon. We have three types of interferon: interferon alpha, beta, and gamma. So uses of interferon alpha is used in hepatitis B treatment, hepatitis C treatment. It is used in carcinoid syndrome, and it can also be used in follicular lymphoma, or it is used in essential thrombocytosis, or it is used in mucocutaneous manifestations of Behçet syndrome. Then interferon alpha is also used in chronic myeloid leukemia. It is also used in malignant melanoma. So these are the main uses of interferon alpha. Then we have interferon beta. Interferon beta. Uses of interferon beta are: interferon beta is used in multiple sclerosis, and it is also used in systemic sclerosis. In these both we use interferon beta. Then we have one more type of interferon called as interferon gamma. In interferon gamma is used in osteopetrosis, or it can be used in idiopathic pulmonary. It is used in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, or it can be used in chronic. Interferon gamma can be used in chronic granulomatous diseases, like it is used in leprosy, or it can be used in non-tuberculosis mycobacteria, or it can also be used in visceral leishmaniasis. We can use interferon gamma. Interferon gamma is also used in multiple myeloma also, and also it is also used in renal cell carcinoma. Interferon gamma is used, and it is also used in systemic sclerosis. So these are the different uses of interferon gamma.
thank you and thank you for watching.